What's up, you guys? This is your homeboy Josh, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a thumbnail for your game in Scratch or for your project, whatever. So first, you gotta create the thumbnail. So obviously, I already have the code. So let's go to costumes. So you need to create it as a sprite and not a backdrop. So I already have created this simple thumbnail. Now we're gonna go to the code. So why is this code like this? Let me explain. So when you play, you want this hidden, of course. Now, when we don't have these three blocks right here, actually this thumbnail is gonna be somewhat out of alignment. So let me just stop the code right there, and then it's just gonna be hidden. So when we show the sprite, this is gonna be somewhat out of alignment. So in order to eliminate that, you're gonna need to have this one go to X0 and Y0, and then you need the go to front layer. Okay, go to front layer and then show. So that's how you fix it. And this is how you create a thumbnail for your game or project in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your buddy Josh of Basic Value. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.